Wait, boys.
Remove all the shotgun traps you see.
Ah, bakit?
Gag,
Masisira yung TC, masisira yung TC.
Game.
Wait lang.
Taas.
Jump ups. Nang pabatanggal.
Wait lang. Sirain niyo yung TC, wait lang. Lilipat ko yung TC. Lilipat ko sa jump. Wait lang ha. Okay, sirain niyo na. Nasa shell.
Defensive 4.
So we wanna stay inside the cell or what?
Go.
Uy, sirain yung TC.
Lagi nasan ba? Second floor?
What's the plan here, bro? What are we doing?
Tripan yan.
Your radar self, bro.
Give me some rockets. Who's got rockets?
Go to me, Bones. I can give you. Let's... There.
Ah, ito.
That's it, bro.
So I have only one line. One line. Someone get all the rockets.
Boom, and then go get loot.
Wait, one rocket.
Okay na. Ano, get out of the, TC room. Get out of the TC room.
Giving away, bro. Look.
Are you out, guys? Are you guys out?
Your base, bro. No, JK, bro. Your thing's connect, bro.
No, Foundy wipe that inside.
No. After we raid the base,
Pick up
you
the
go
doors.
in
Yeah.
and you collect.
Bro, why you kill me, bro?
Oh my god,
And-
Salo got died, bro.
Yeah. We're gonna go. You
Ay, wag
don't.
kagalaw, Chip. Wag kagalaw.
350.
No one going to raid us anymore, bro. We're too expensive to raid, bro. We're overpowered too much. Someone going to be here. Someone going to be here later and going to collect the loot too. You should collect loot before
Sabi
they get.
tatamaan niya si Bading eh.
Yung kasi pinaril. Puta na yan. May rocket ba dito sa first farm?
Ay, yung rocket mo sa
Nah,
ano mo,
we're done.
Lambi.
Ha?
Yung rocket mo sa
Yeah, we're done for.
base mo, yung rocket mo doon.
Wala na, ginamit ko na. Yeah, we're done for, bro. We're done for this wipe. Your base gonna get raided anytime soon if when we're gone, bro. So good luck, bro. Good luck
Wait lang,
keeping all our loot.
wait. Oh, it's one
You're gonna
HP,
get
one
raided.
HP.
Excuse.
Good luck finding a new source of protection, bro. Your turret won't save you anymore.
Wait lang.
Excuse.
Pwede ko na yung C4 to. Ayun.
Naka-RF receiver.
Yeah.
Condition.
He's ready, bro. Oh, muna
96.
Nawa ko yung ponytail ni Bon.
It's sad, bro, because you're not authorized in the turret inside. Authorized ba to si MXD sa turret?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ayun ako
It's so sad, bro. You won't. Okay. Si Kix daw, gusto daw makihingi ng loot.
Anong
siya?
code pre?
Bag nyo daw, bag nyo.
5488.
548.
Forward it.
What?
Where did you guys die?
Inside our base?
Insider?
No, inside our base, bro. We're rocketing shits here.
We're insiding ourselves.
Done with wipe?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro.
Wait, where's my
Yes, bro.
lancha?
Alam to, sinira lahat, gagi. Aray mo.
Oh, isa-isa lang, isa-isa lang.
Isa lang.
Ah, walang nagalaw, walang nagalaw.
Gagalaw, gagalaw. Don't move, don't move. Oh my god, Bones.
Mon, you idiot.
Hey, I got my rocket group. What the hell? Give me some rockets.
Here, I'll drop this one.
Go for bedroom. This one, right?
Yeah.
Wait, chill. It's
Chill,
open,
chill.
it's open. We should go for this side, left side.
This side is open. Raid yard.
We can go to that, Siler's position.
No, raid muna natin.
Wait,
Basic
don't
ultimate.
rocket, don't rocket.
Uy, raid natin muna yung basic ultimate. Raid natin.
Nah.
Marakit.
Don't smoke, father pa.
Another side.
Wait. What? Other side.
May smoke
hit
dyan,
up.
pre.
Ang ina mo yun.
Tangin na talaga.
Uy, don't move. Wala na. Ito to.
Oh my god, there's smoke, bro.
Oh, this side, left side.
I can't see shit, bro. Ano ba? Don't look at me, bro.
Don't track it right side, ah.
I saw something, bro. Oh, I see. Nice.
Konti, gago.
No more rockets, bro.
I think we should rebuild, bro. We should rebuild.
Far more rockets.
So we had like 2 box rockets, right? All got?
No, you only have
Yeah.
one.
Hey, stop smoking, Niga. Nagunagaw.
We raided yesterday, bro.
Tonto.
Tara, sirahan natin.
Oh, wait. Ano muna? The HQM
Sirahan
first.
natin yung picture. Wala nang rocket.
Pingi pa ako. Rocket.
Ano rin ako?
Ito.
Silid, I'm smoking.
Foundation. We should go for foundation, eh.
Which
This one.
Which
Go,
one?
go, go. This one. 1 HP.
Ito lang, ah. Ooh. Saan ba?
Mga corners.
Corner. God.
Last rocket na rin. Last rocket din ako.
Tara,
Up.
Other side.
I'm getting raided, bro. I'm getting raided. Raid defense, please.
Saan pa?
We should destroy this too.
Bobo. Bobo.
Kidding.
Do you have, how many rockets you have?
One
Rockets, bro.
rocket. One rocket.
Rockets.
Satchels, we have satchels on.
Oh yeah, we have MLRS, bro. This MLRS is shit.
Gagi, ang tibay naman ng ano na. Okay ng support natin. Dito.
We should rebuild bro.
Out of
Farm for
rockets.
Foundy.
Ako ba din na tayo makalis? Bago din na tayo makalis.
Wala na ba tayo mga pipes?
So, grenades.
Let's go MLRS bro, let's go MLRS.
O, let's go MLRS.
Gago ka dumping.
Bro, stop! Stop! Oh. Bro.
Stop.
Ulit ako ng gamit ko eh.
May... May medal
Okay bro. Bago itong mga pipeline.
Uy, PvP bro. Maraming pupuntahan dito, PvP. Uy, bobo.
Misclick.
Gago ka, bobo.
Gago, may nag-donate na.
Dead. You dead.
Tara,
Where's
PvP
this
na.
mother? Where's this motherfucker?
Why you
Find
die?
him, bones. Faster.
How did you die though? Where the fuck are you?
Oh my god, this fat nigga.
I'm shooting grenades on the... How are you dying?
No! Oh no, everything. Uy!
Paano mo?
PvP na tayo guys.
Wala nang bug dito na.
Wait, stop! We need to destroy box!
Uy! Oh my god.
Ang dami na itong ano.
Your shit is gone.
Ako naglalot.
Gagi Slayer, ang dami mong ano. What do you call this?
Bro, let's go
Dami mong
MLRS,
incense
bro.
Slayer. Bakit tayo
Really fun.
incense?
Ay, may suso tower pa.
Let's go MLRS bro. Where is abandonment bus?
MLRS, yeah.
Uy! Who shot me? Eh, naman. Buisit.
Who shot me? Who shot me?
Ay, kinukuha nga akong bakit eh.
Kinukuha ko.
Ulit na sa Lasar. Tayo, huwag na ako rat sa bowl kita.
MLRS. Let's go.
Turn up the SAM site.
Off na yung SAM site. Off na yung SAM site.
Gago, hindi. Pang heli naka-off, gago.
Up na yun. Ang tumutunog.
Off na yun. Ah, sa yung ano.
MLRS bro. Oh my god.
Ano kayo? Matataas
Okay
kayo?
na! Higa. Babata ko ng HB yung base ni ano. Ano yung bedroom ni Papi?
Ay, namatay
Oh
sa
my
nate ka na.
god, stop going this fucking...
Heal bro, what the fuck, why are you not seeing?
Tingin mo dito, sobrang lag.
Bro, we have so much MLRs, man. We should use it.
Stop the smoke, bro. My God.
Let's go, use MLRS. Raid ko si ano, MXD.
Raid natin si MXD, tara. Raid natin.
Idiot,
I am
ah.
coming daw, I am coming.
Ay, shit, yun. Uy!
Hindi rated, bro.
Over it.
Pididip,
Who's
pididip.
coming to MLRs, bro? Who's coming to
MLRS,
MLRs?
MLRS, that shit.
Aba. Go.
Are you ready?
Let's use all the MLRs on our base, bro. We got 2 by 1 there. MLRs after 10 minutes.
Just like what we did in the, the last server, bro.
Wag!
Wag ako, si Ben. Find Ben.
What do you mean find the pain? I'm not doing anything, nigga.
Nice, starting yun, bro.
One dead.
MXD, you're getting raided.
Up. Oh my god. Dambi.
Nasaan yung ano ko dito?
Bro, stop the smoke, bro. I cannot stay, bro.
Oh, wag ako.
Tao sa labas.
Bobo na ito sila, sir. Up mo. Oh,
Gagi kayo, hindi ko mahanap yung ano ko.
Yung barilin, hanapin.
hindi nito babarlin. Lagi, magano, papatay nga natin si MXD.
Let's go in.
MXT.
Taas.
Wag.
PvP spot na to, gago. Dito na kayo.
Ay, tayo din na higagi. Ito. Kalbo.
Ayun, si Kicks nasa taas, oh. Sa bahay ni Salazar.
Kiss.
Sa bahay ni Salazar.
Nigga, you took both the launchers, what the fuck? Idiot.
Dep.
Oh.
Yung mga to. Uy.
Ooh. Ulit.
Tingnan mo, nasa ka.
Ayaw ka pumasok dyan.
Is that a real rocket?
Saka, saan ka? Uy, Gagi! Tabi! Okay bro, stand.
Patay.
Oh my buwisit, buhayin mo ko. Ang mga to, walang mabawas bro.
Higagin bro.
Bro, stop. Okay, baril mo. Eto, kunin nyo rocket. Rocket, kunin nyo.
Gago, may scrappy oh. Sirayin na.
Gagi, sa kanila, kilakit nyo.
Kicks yung sirain nyo kay Kicks.
Sirain nyo. Sirain nyo, bili. Nasa kalabang team. Gagi, wala pala kayo respawn dito. Wawa kayo.
Hey bro.
Ginamit na pati sa chat.
Gagi. Sabugin natin. Pasabugin ko na yung bahay mo, pre. Oba.
Gago, yun na nga.
Uy, Gagi, pinapasabog yung ano niya. Bob mo na yan. Wala kang kasama dito. Kayong dalawa lang nandito.
Marami ning. Chill.
Gagi.
Ay, Gagi, homing ka yan.
Dito kay Papitan na bedroom.
Pasira. Oh, wala ka pero mo. Ginagawa mo rin. Ibona ka repair nyo. Ginagawa nyo. Ano yung method sa kanyo, Bona? Gagi, metal 5 lalo sa baba. Uy, Gagi! Nasa baba ng beat. Antay ko pa may ticket.
Base ni Bio, papasabugin ko. Cargo.
Who's in the house?
Cargo.
The guy in the house na?
Ano pala to? Bato nga pala to.
Hey, raid MX. This guy.
May alam.
Hanap ka sa bedroom, Chief.
Tayo.
One.
Copy daw ni Kicks, gago.
Where's Kicks? I don't have walls.
Hinday ha? Hinday ha? You know, you know.
You're out of edges. That's an HP.
Kicks.
Agos.
Ball. Right.
Kicks. Kunin mo to.
What the fuck,
Kicks.
Ricochet? I caught my own bullet.
Kicks.
Huh? This happens? Wait.
Kunin mo to. Kunin mo na yung bahay dun, oh. Nakita mo yung bahay dun. Ayan, oh. Sa harap. Ayan, oh. Yung maliit. Eto.
Uy.
Kunin mo to. Ito yung code lock, oh. Tingnan mo, Salazar. Tingnan mo.
Ganda pala to pang reject, no?
Gago na pupunta sa ating pupunta sa ating naked.
Ay, gago pala din. Makabody lang.
Kaya natin yung base ni ni
Wala na nga, ning rocket.
wala na.
Ako, PvP dito. Kicks.
Euro kick.
Kicks. May tao dyan, may tao dyan. Teta to.
A good base, no?
Gagi. Hindi yan sila clicks, hindi yan sila
Ganda, no?
clicks. Patayin mo.
Gago, pinapatay yung MXD.
Sino si Kicks?
Oo, gagi. Pinagpapatayin nyo kasi sila. Hindi na sila yan lang kung nasa sila. Ako yan, bonak. Wag. Ay, maglulong sa bahay.
Patay.
Si Ghost, nandito na si Ghost.
Don't kill me, boy. I'm roof camping.
No, you roof camp.
Yeah, bro.
Do you see the cheek? You see the... Not cheek. Where is it?
Anda. Okay.
Ah, yeah, I see.
Daw.
Bonak. Uy, alis kayo. MLRs tayo.
What?
Sige.
MLRs tayo ni Kicks. Kicks going to MLRs. Get out.
Tago sa gate dun, gagi.
I turn on the Sams.
When the Sams are on anymore, bro, it's gonna...
Hey, keep it on.
You need to...
Let's see.
Gagi, I don't think they have...
Everyone on the roof, whoever dies is gay. Come. Come to roof.
Come to roof.
I'm gonna move the wiring, bro. We don't want it to be on.
Oh,
Sams are off, bro. No more Sams.
Bobo. Aray ko, gagi ka.
oh, ginugulo dito sa roof camp ko, buds. Ay, mama.
No, not turn off, bro. I turned it off.
Opo,
Turn
po.
it off. Just turn it. BB, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we're going to get MLRS. Come, leave. Can someone record? We need someone to record.
Record. No record. Boom. Will this blow today? Niga. Chip,
Yo.
go to the upside. Let's go.
Oh my God, oh, pahal.
Pero damad ng people.
Wala na, naubos na. Kala nila pre-loot eh. Pinagpapatay gag.
Gagi, bonok pa si Kicks na mga dala-dala mga MLRS niya. Tangix talaga.
Pre-loot daw eh, pre-loot. Tapos pinagpapatay. Kupal talaga kayo guys.
Thanks kay GRG. Ang ina, upset si ano, na Isabel. We're leaving the server. He's upset.
Fuck bro.
Gago, paano natagos yan?
Orange.
Sino to nasa ano? Within the walls.
So there are people outside, bro. What the hell? Somebody's coming
Yeah.
to.
Kill them bro. Is that HB?
Oh my.
He said pre-loot bro. But we killed them all.